We don't talk about Algorand enough. And if you have kids, you're gonna hate me. Cause I hope this song gets stuck in your head. Cause my daughters watch this movie 3 times a day. Nerdy dude stuff. For those of you keeping track at home, get ready because we're going on a Florida beer spree. Today's beer is brought to you by Tomoka Brewing Company out of Lakeland, Florida. This is called Oceanside White India Pale Ale, brewed with grapefruit. 7.1% alcohol by volume, 69 nice IBUs. This has a nice hazy coloring to it. Not really sure where we get the white in the IPA, but this has a very crisp and refreshing front taste of straight up grapefruit, not any sugary substitute, because it is brewed with grapefruit peels, and then it has a nice hopsy back end, not too strong if you have a stronger hops palate, but this could be a nice medium tier beer for someone that wants to step their game up a little bit more into the hopsy side of IPAs. Overall, 3.75 out of 5. Cheers to you guys. Bink! What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video about Algorand! We haven't said that in a while, and we've meant to do this video for the past, 3 weeks, and we just haven't! But that's okay. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button, turning on the bell notification, and liking this video. If you found my channel back in the day because we started talking about Algorand, please make sure you like this video because we are still happy and we're still holding our Algorand. Now, back when we first started holding Algorand, the channel had about 4,000 subscribers. Since then, we've picked up 17,000 subscribers, so I wanted to reiterate and refresh my stance on the token and talk about the second vote that we are getting that is due in the next week to be completed. We got into Algorand back in November of 2020 when it was sitting at about 31 cents, and that's where we accumulated most of our bags. There wasn't any YLDY, there wasn't any algo mint, there wasn't any governance program yet. It was just purely that pure proof of profit, or pure proof of stake token when you only held it in your wallets and you compounded and you earned, so on and so forth. Then we started getting into other projects that are built and supported on the Algo blockchain, because why wouldn't you want to build on that chain? It's the trilemma of coins. This isn't a full Algo breakdown, but the important thing is that the Algo fee is 0.001 Algo across the board, and you have about 4-second transaction time. So it makes sense to have cool things like Block Create and Planet Watch. And then other projects that are developing and growing on it. It makes sense for it to be a cryptocurrency that's utilized as the main currency for small countries. Even maybe like Miami is going to be looking into it very soon. So with all that said, right now I feel it's a great time to start touching base back on Algorand. We are at a low price point. We're only 2x from when I originally bought it, when we've seen all-time highs of like 265. I think I made a claim that we're looking at maybe a $2 to $3 algo by the end of 2021. We didn't hit it, but the rest of the market kind of also took a huge as well. So let's just get right into it. We're going to talk about Algo. We're going to look at the price point, and we're going to go over the second round of voting so that way you can keep earning your maximum rewards. Let's jump to the computer screen. All right, so Algorand's currently sitting at 80 cents. We've seen worse and we've seen better. Right now, not a financial advisor and all that stuff that we all say for some reason. I would recommend getting more, because that's what I'm probably going to do. Right now, we have 5,000 sitting in our Para wallet. Like, if you guys got the mobile wallet on your phone and then you go to it, now it's Para Algo with a stupid, ugly yellow icon. Like, leave a comment below if you're a fan of the new app. I am very, very 50-50. I like the ease of the original one. This one has a little less clutter on it, but I'm a creature of habit. So we've currently sitting at a 5,009 algo, which is about $4,024 worth. So yeah, whatever. But yeah, leave a comment if you like the pair. I don't think I like the yellow and black scheme. You know, I'm not really into that bumblebee kind of thing. But it's currently sitting at 80 cents. It's also important to make a note that their max supply of algo is at 10 billion, and the circulating supply, or the current total, the max supply is at 10 billion. The total supply, which what? I like the circulating supply better, 6.62 billion. Remember, with the Algorand governance program, they allocated 3.2 million of that, so that way the distribution of algo will complete in 2030, which is 8 years from now. So that's all some important tokenomics stuff there, mumbo jumbo. Algo is sitting at currently, where is it on CoinMarketCap? It's got to be taken a lot lower since we've been lingering under $1 for a while. If I can't find it in the next like glimpse or two, it's just not that important to me. Just because I'm not selling my algo or getting rid of it. I have 5,000. Oh, it's 29 right there. Pfft, need glasses or something. It's currently sitting ranked at number 29. So with it being ranked at number 29, with its market cap and everything, you know that the market's kind of taking a pooper right now, and that's just kind of how it is. So great opportunity to scoop up some more bags and probably get them ready for the second quarter of 2022 governance program, which we're going to touch base on that in a minute. Of course, we like other projects on the Algo blockchain. Right now, our favorite is Blocks. We've been promoting heavily on the Nerdy Dude team. Right now, we are sitting at... I like the new updates they did too, where it shows every team's taxes and stuff, so you don't have to go in there. We're a tier 1 team, and we are sitting at 213 members. So if you guys jump in and join, I do want to say we're going to do another block create video this week, but just a quick touch base. We did win the Twitter competition thanks to you guys. So we've got 2 blocks that are coming out that are going to be coming to us at the end of March, and we are going to give them away. The first giveaway is going to be a community voting Nerdy Dude Squad logo giveaway. So whoever wants, and we'll give details on this soon, but whoever wants to design a Nerdy Dude Squad, it's got to say squad, not stuff, we're going to submit it. I'm going to pick the top 5, and then I'm going to have the community vote on their favorite, and that person is going to win the block, and then we're going to use that logo for our Nerdy Dude Squad on blocks and potentially more t-shirts. And then the other one, I haven't decided on how we're going to do it yet, whether it's if you're in the Nerdy Dude Squad alone, or if it's going to be a Nerdy Dude Squad and YouTube contest as well. So stay tuned for that. Now, let's get to the important bits here. Drinking a beer. I'm not going to edit that out. You guys get to watch me drink beer. That's a delicious beer. 3.75 was a little generous on it, though. Anywho. So, you guys, if you've already participated in the government program, you guys know where to go. You know how to get to it. We're not going to go over that. This isn't a how-to. If you haven't participated in the governance program, you're too late right now, and you can't get in until April 1st of 2022. So, you can probably just stop this video right now unless you want to see me bumble and mumble my way through this. Now, we're in it. We've already committed our algo. They give us plenty of time to commit the algo to voting. We earn rewards based on that voting. Roughly, it's about 12% APY. I think it's a little bit less than that right now just because of how many governors that we have, but there's more algo in this round. So you go to the site, you sign up as a governor. I've already got it signed up, so it's going to take us here in just a second. Come on, let's do it. Come on, guys. Let's go. All right, cool. So here we are. We've got our Algo wallet plugged in right here. We have 5 days and 20 hours until the voting session ends. It is 100% vital that you vote. Otherwise, if you miss the vote, you don't get the rewards for that period. That's a 3-month period. So very important. The first round we did, our 5,000 algo got us 247 algo. So I was very happy with that. All right, so you're going to scroll down here to voting sessions, and you're going to take a look. Yeah, and you're going to see XGov platform, expert governors, January 31st to February 28th is the voting period. Let's load that up. The overview, we're going to break this down. I'm going to give my thoughts and actually do a vote on screen. The Algorand Foundation is committed to fully decentralized Algorand ecosystem. I want you to remember fully decentralized, all right? We believe that the governance structure that allows the Algorand community to impact the most important economic, technical, and policy decisions is fundamental to the long-term stability and continued growth of the Algorand ecosystem. We were heartened by the level of thought engagement of the more than 50,000 governors that participated in our successful first round of voting. That vote determined the... All right, here we go. Creating a tier of expert governors. You guys can read through all this if you want at your time. I'm just going to kind of go in, we proposed the creation of a new tier of expert governors. These governors, via decentralized aggregation mechanisms such as a DAO, will have the power to put forward measures for our quarterly governance votes. These measures will be voted on by our current governance platform, which will not change. For more information, go to the proposal there. The new XGov mechanism will require expert governors to commit to governance for a longer period of time of 1 year or more. The proposing power of XGovs will be determined by the stake that they commit to governance as well, their experience, i.e. the number of years of their XGov participation. For example, a few years of experience of a governor automatically measured by participation in a DAO could double the proposing power of each staked algo. If approved, the exact XGov rules will be discussed with the community with the goal of rewarding long-term commitment to governance and to the decentralized ecosystem. The experience timer will go into effect, blah, 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 blah. Option A. The governors support the creation of a new DAO-based tier of governance, XGov, with the power to formulate, evaluate, and propose measures to be put to vote. Or option B, the governors prefer the Algorand Foundation continue in its current role of curating and exclusively proposing measures for community vote, in addition to facilitating the vote itself. I think I am going to go with option B. The reason why is option B, in my opinion, keeps it a little more decentralized as the target of the Algorand blockchain. If we start delegating ex-governors, I know there's an argument to be made that we have ex-governors in option A, but in option B, whales can control that vote as well. But at the end of the day, I would rather earn my whale status as accumulating algo and then getting to a point where I can then be a whale and vote as well. Or I can be a whale and then help swing the vote as well based on the algo I have committed. I'm not necessarily a huge fan of the XGovs being added in there. They could be whales as well and kind of have a control over, especially since there is a little bit more of stake value that their algo tokens are going to have. So I really feel that if you go into XGov with option A, it might demotivate someone such as myself to want to grow and become an algo whale. If, like, for example, today I take all my passive profits in my other platforms and start scooping up more and more algo and push myself up to maybe like 100,000 algo, not necessarily in a position to do that, but, and I don't know if that would be considered whale status, but that is kind of a scenario that I'd rather be in. And then I could do that at any time. I realistically only, it says once a year. If I could potentially become whale status in the next 6 months and, like, 100,000, 200,000, 300,000, I then might, if it's option A, I probably have to wait like a full year or so to go ahead and stake my extra tokens or my Algorand to get that additional staking power that those are going to have. So I feel I can't freaking speak today. I've only had this much beer. Wow, that's terrible. So let's have more. I don't see option A necessarily as a bad thing. And if you really put, like, a gun to my head and said, what are the exact numbers on which way you're leaning, I'm not far left. I'm a little more right, and that's just how it goes. So I would probably say I am 75% in favor of option B to 25% over option A. Probably like a 70-30. 70-30 might be a little bit better there. So let's go B. That's what we're gonna go with. And yeah, that's just how I'm gonna go. So let's go B. Let's go B. Right there, complete. Now we're gonna submit our vote. So we click on it. The foundation keeps the sole power to propose measures. Submit. Watch just option A just decimate. And then what we have to do is please review and sign the transaction using the Para Algo wallet. So we're going to pull it up on the phone. We might have to do a jump cut if it doesn't get, really quick, because we want to get our vote through. So let's have a sip of beer, take a breather, go from there. All right, so I pulled up my Para wallet. All I did is unlock the screen, and it submitted my vote for me. So I refreshed the screen and went back from there. Now, apparently I'm stupid. Like, I'm the only stupid idiot here. I guess maybe I just read through. I should have gone over the proposal more, because they already have the results for the vote so far, and I'm part of the 1%. Yeah, I wish. I just want to leave it as is, and I'm at 1.88%, whereas the actual creating an XGov tier is at 98.12%. So I don't regret my vote. I never regret my vote. So we'll see what happens. I mean, I think the results are pretty much already there. There's no way that we're going to swing into B. So like I said, I wasn't necessarily, I don't think option A is a bad thing. I just kind of like the way things are. If the Gov X tier is something that's pretty solid, then maybe that's a goal for me to look into as well. So anywho, that's going to do it for me today, guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me on Discord or Twitter. And let me know what you think and what you voted for in the description. Yeah, here, have access to my descriptions. Let me know what you, like, your reasoning and stuff. Or, you know, this is, let's have a healthy conversation. Like, what did you go with option A? Because you probably did, because everyone did except me. So, you know, let me know what you guys thought in the comments below. Other than that, definitely subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the bell notification, like this video, all that good YouTube stuff. I'm O'Price, and we'll see you guys next time. We don't talk about Bruno, no. You're welcome.